We got another Amazon Prime package. Their stuff on here always amuses me. Deals so exclusive. They're ready to meet your parents. Okay, so I've already undone this one. It did have a strip, so I could tear that sucker open. Dropping my pen. Ordered some rain ponchos. They're supposed to be disposable, one size fits all. So like for the past week, for like 6 days, it rained every day, almost the entire day for 6 days. So I figured we needed some rain ponchos for people that come in and, well, my people that aren't prepared to go out. I don't know. We'll see how it works. Anyhow, it was relatively inexpensive. I think it ended up being $1 or $1.25 a piece for them from Amazon. And what else is in this one? Oh, some vitamin E. Somebody told me vitamin E oil would be better for my hair than the vitamin D that I have been using. So I picked up some of this to try it out. I like Nature Made. I like that brand. I've used it for a long time. And we'll see if it does anything more for my hair than the vitamin D does. Well, catch y'all later. Y'all subscribe.